everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my absolute favorite gym shoes and why. I went on a bit of a haul, so there's going to be more than one pair of shoes, and I have a variety of colors for those who just want to see what the brand has to offer. So if that sounds good, just keep watching this video. I am coming to you guys with the Nike Metcon 4s. These shoes are my absolute favorite gym shoes. I can do a whole bunch of activities in the gym and for my workouts in these shoes. Question of the day, what is your favorite gym shoe? Go ahead and leave that down below. I don't have to keep switching them out. I can do a lot. I'm talking circuits, bike, CrossFit, lifting, leg day. I can even go for really short walks in these, and these are so comfy. They bend, they're flexible. I mean, look at that, y'all. I get on the stair climber with these. I get on the treadmill with these. You can jump rope in these. They are overall my absolute favorite gym shoe. Let's talk about sizing real quick. I personally didn't have to size up. These shoes fit me perfectly. I wear a size 8. I did not have to size up. They fit me like a glove. They fit like they were made for me. I want to be comfortable in the gym. I want to be comfortable, and I also, want to look nice in the gym. I want to have some style. These shoes, these shoes are so colorful. They are so my personality. How could it not be? They're purple. Y'all, I've even been able to lift in these shoes. Now, let me talk about lifting real quick. A lot of people love to lift in Converse. Not me. Not me. Not never gonna be me. I do not like hard shoes. They feel like bricks. If you lift in Converse, kudos to you. Just for me, I can't do it. They hurt my feet. I like to lift in something comfortable, but something that's still flat. So these are really, 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 really good. Now, as far as running like long distance, I don't know that I would recommend this shoe for that, but I mean overall for the various different things I can do in this shoe, I definitely recommend this shoe as an overall gym shoe. For like my long distance, like sort of walks / runs, I usually probably would go grab my Asics or go grab my Brooks, but that's a conversation for another video. But overall, I can't find a shoe that beats this shoe as far as all the different functions I can do in the gym in this one pair of shoes. So let's get into some of the other colors that I got, because I just couldn't even help myself, y'all. I love the shoe so much. I paid for this with my own money. This is not sponsored. I just love the brand so much, and I'm obsessed. Let's rewind just a little bit. These right here are the Nike Metcon Free 4s. I also got, because I also love the Nike Metcon Free 3s. So little bit of difference, slight difference in the look. Actually, let me grab the other one so you guys can see. Okay, so slightly different look. These are the 4s, these are the 3s. So they look a little bit different. Of course, the colors are different, but as you can see on the back, we have, on the 4s, we have like this kind of stripe going across, and on the 3s, you see we have like this kind of tongue on the top. I like both of them. And then here is, a side view. So this is the 4s, and these are the 3s. This is the front. You have a lot of different colors going on. The colors is one of the things that sold me. They really pair well with a lot of outfits if you're going to the gym. So it's giving you a lot of variety. These are the Nike Metcon Free 3s. I wanted a shoe with some white and a lot more color. The Nike Free Metcon 4s were sold out of like a whitish color. So I ended up getting the 3s. I'm still happy because I was going for colorful colors, and that's what I got. And I just wanted like a white base. So these are really good. And as you can see, depending on which way you're facing the shoe, they look different. Even like the checks on the shoe have a variety of colors. They're not the same on each shoe when you turn them the opposite direction. Here I have Nike Free Metcon 4s. These are the same model as the purple ones that I just showed you guys. It's just a different color. So as you can see, we have some unique colors here. Look at that. You really can't beat these different colors. Like if you're a person that likes colors, what are you waiting for? Like, colors, here you have different colors, variety of colors, flexibility in the gym, and you're gonna look stylish and you're gonna be comfortable. I just can't, if I'm grabbing a gym shoe, I'm grabbing these. This is just such a beautiful, beautiful color here. I just can't get enough. Here we have another pair of Nike Free Metcon 4s. These are I guess like a grayish, bluish color with some like a lime green. Y'all, it looks, these colors, you just can't compete with these colors. I wanted to show you guys another pair of Nike Metcons. These are the Nike Metcon 7s. These are training shoes. And y'all, I just want to quickly talk about the Nike Metcon 7s and what I like to use these for. As you guys can see, these shoes, let me compare. These are the Nike Metcon 7s, and these are the Nike Free Metcon 4s. There is a clear difference in the look of the shoe. One is clearly higher than the other one as far as height. I will quickly talk about flexibility. So the Metcon, the Free Metcon 4s, they are bendy. They bend. These shoes are a lot more stiff. Now they still have some flexibility, but they are way stiffer than the Metcon. They're way stiffer than the other shoe I just showed. Also, the bottom is very flat. So if you look, these are great shoes for lifting. Like, if I'm only lifting in the gym and I need to be stable to the ground, I like this shoe for that. As you can see, the Nike Free Metcon 4s, they have, you know, a little bit of, you know, some lumps on the bottom. Still, to me, not bad for lifting. Just kind of depends on what I'm lifting and how, you know, really what the workout is. Overall, I'm still grabbing this shoe. But if the focus is simply on lifting and trying to be stable, I would recommend this shoe because it has that flat surface, which is going to be good for keeping you stable and you won't be wobbling and shaking. The ridges may affect the stability to the ground. So if you have a flat surface like this is going to have you way more stable to the ground and have you planted while you're doing your lifts, which is why I really, really, really like this shoe. The shoe is comfortable and I didn't have to size up. I have a size 8 in all the shoes that I just showed you guys. They all fit me like a glove, but I did see some people say that they needed to go up half a size. For me, it wasn't a problem at all. They fit fine. You guys remember how I said like the Converse, they're hard. Like these are hard at the bottom, but it's actually comfortable to wear. But I won't lie, I can't do any sort of like extra walking in these shoes. They're not comfortable to me to do any extra activities in the gym. Besides those days when I'm just kind of lifting in the gym, I really wouldn't grab this shoe for anything other than that. But that's just me. I hope that you guys got some value out of this video today. If you did, please go ahead, leave me a like down below. If you have it in your heart, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all the love at all times. Let me know down below, what is your preferred gym shoe? Do you guys like the Nike Free Metcon 4s or the Nike Free Metcon 3s? Let me know what you guys think down below. If you do decide to give this shoe a try, let me know what you think down below. I think that you will really be satisfied with the shoe. We all can appreciate something that is cross-functional and stylish. I hope out of the 5 shoes that I showed you guys today that you can find one that you think suits you. Get out there, stay healthy, stay happy, be blessed everyone, and until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.